Hello students, this is 5th lesson Thomas Alva Edison. I have explained the lesson in the class. In order to recollect the lesson, watch this video. Chapter 5, Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison, a most unusual boy, never really bothered much with any childish toy. His teacher thought he couldn't learn and sent him home from school. But Tommy's mother knew for sure he wasn't any fool. He worked as a newsboy on a train. He learned to telegraph. The way he concentrated made some people laugh. Thomas Alva Edison had inventions by the score. In his laboratory, he kept inventing more. Thomas Alva Edison, a most unusual boy, never really bothered much with any childish toy. His teacher thought he couldn't learn and sent him home from school. But Tommy's mother knew for sure he wasn't any fool. Now see students, write T for true and F for false statements. Thomas Alva Edison was a most unusual boy. T or false? Yes, it is true. So write T. He was not much interested in playing with the childish toys. Yes, it is correct. So write T. He learned to telegraph. Is this statement true or false? Yes, it is a true statement. He invented many things in his life. Yes, it is also true. Okay, students. Now turn the next page, my dears. Write down words which rhyme for the words given below. See here. Train. Yes. Train. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Next. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Okay. Next see. Next word light. So what is the rhyming word we can write? Fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Then might. M-I-G-H-T. Might. Next see. Much. Such. S-U-C-H. Such and much. Much is the question. No, munch. M-U-N-C-H. Munch. Few. Sew. S-E-W-S-U. And view. V-I-E-W. View. Next, round. Yes, rhyming word is P-O-U-N-D. Pound. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Okay. Complete the following compound words. Okay. See. One has been done for us. Post plus man is equal to postman. So compound words means yes. Along with the noun we can add some other word, then we will get a new word. Okay. News plus dash is equal to yes. News plus paper, right? News plus paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Now what is the answer? Newspaper. 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 Next, rain. Rain. Tell me. Yes. Number 3. If it is rain, what coat we will wear? Raincoat, right? So rain coat, COAT. So both join and write here. RAIN, rain, COAT, coat. Swim. Yes, tell me, swim. Suit. Sim plus SUIT, suit, is equal to swim suit. Swim suit. SWIM, swim. SUIT, suit. SUIT, suit. Next, table. Table, cloth. CLOTH, cloth. Okay, table, cloth. So we can write here TABLE, table, CLOTH, table, cloth. Next, tube. What is the rhyming word here? Tube. Yes, tell me, tube plus light. No, tube light. TUBELIGHT, tube light. Next, bed. Bed, room. ROOM, room, is equal to bed, room. ROOM, room. Okay. In the following sentences, some words have been misspelled. Correct the spellings of these words. Rewrite the sentences. Okay. So here in these sentences, so some words are misspelled, means spelling mistake will be there. So we have to change them into correct. Okay. See the first question. Rohan is a cheerful boy. He is happily reading a book. So see the first sentence, all the spellings are correct, right? And see the second sentence, he is happily. Happily, spelling mistake here. So happily spelling what? HAPPILY, right? So we have to write the spelling. See, full sentence we have to write first. Shall we start? Yes. ROHAN, Rohan is a cheerful, CHEERFUL, cheerful boy, BOY, full stop. Then he is happily spelling here wrong. We have to write the correct spelling. Okay, happily spelling what? HAPPILY, happily reading, READING, reading a book, 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 full stop. Okay. Our school has planned a picnic for class 5 students on Sunday. So see the first sentence, our school has planned. Planned spelling is correct or wrong? Yes, it is misspelled. So we have to write the correct spelling. Everything as it is, whatever spelling mistake we can see in a word, that word only we will change according to the correct spelling. Okay, see, our, O-U-R, our school, S-C-H-O-O-L, our school has planned, P-L-A-N-N-E-D, planned a picnic, P-I-C-N-I-C, picnic for class, C-L-A-S-S, class 5 students, S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S, students on Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday, full stop. Okay. Next, whose book is this? So see here, whose spelling what? Yes, W-H-O-S-C. So here wrong spell, W-H-O-S-C, whose book, B-O-O-K, book is this, T-H-I-S, question mark. Manish is a mischievous boy. So mischievous spelling what? Mistake, M-I-S-C-H-I-E-V-O-U-S, right? So here we have to write the correct spelling. First of all, we have to write Manish, M-A-N-I-S-H, Manish is a mischievous, M-I-S-C-H-I-E-V-O-U-S, mischievous boy, B-O-Y, full stop. The beaches of Goa are very beautiful and clean. Okay, the beaches of Goa are very beautiful. Beautiful spelling, see here? Wrong. So we have to write the correct spelling. Okay. The beaches, B-E-E-C-H-E-S, beaches of Goa, G-O-A, Goa are, A-R-E, are very, V-E-R-Y, very beautiful. This spelling is wrong. We have to write the correct spelling. Beautiful spelling what? B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful, and A-N-D, and clean, C-L-E-A-N, full stop. Next, the sky is overcast. It is raining heavily. So correct spelling here, heavily spelling is wrong. We have to write the correct spelling. Heavily spelling what, students? H-E-A-V-I-L-Y, right? So shall we start? The, T-H-E, the sky, S-K-Y, sky is overcast, O-V-E-R-C-A-S-T, full stop. It is raining, R-A-I-N-I-N-G, raining heavily. Spelling mistake, we have to write the correct spelling. H-E-A-V-I-L-Y, full stop. My mother is knitting a sweater for my daddy. So what is the mistake here? Yes, sweater, see, S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater, here mistake. Okay, see, my mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother is, I-S is knitting, K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G, knitting a sweater, S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater for, F-O-R, for my, M-Y, my daddy, D-A-D-D-Y, full stop. Okay. Mohit was carrying his bundle of caps to sell in the market. So see here, bundle mistake. BUNDLE, bundle actually. See here, the wrong. So we have to write the correct. MOHIT, Mohit. WAS, was. Carrying, CARRYING, carrying. His, HIS, his. Bundle, bundle spelling what? BUNDLE, bundle of caps. CAPS, caps to SELL, sell in the market. MARKET, full stop. Okay. Now about syllable. Syllable, do you know, students? Yes, it is a pronunciation, right? We will divide the sound word into sound according to sound. See here, syllable is a unit of pronunciation. It consists of a vowel sound or a vowel sound with some consonant sound. Okay, so the syllable consists of vowel sound or a vowel sound with a consonant sound. Okay, so see here, he, any syllable? No, only one syllable. Most, one syllable. Super, see, how many syllable? Two syllable. Okay, two syllable. Okay. Unusual, unusual. So how many syllable? 1, 2, 3 syllable. Okay. Next, concentrated, concentrated, 4 syllable. Okay. Now you understand what is a syllable? Yes, we will use for a pronunciation, unit of pronunciation. Okay. See, now list out more words from the poem which have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 syllables. Okay. Kept, see, we can divide the syllable. K plus T, P, T. So how many syllable? K, T. 1, 2, 2 syllable. We have to write number 2 here. Never, next. Ne plus ver, ver, never. How many syllable? 1, 2. Write 2. Next, thought, THOU, thought plus T, GHT, T. Okay, thought. How many syllable? Yes, 2 syllable. 1, 2. Write 2 here. Next, telegraph, TELE, tele plus gra, plus PH, telegraph. Okay. How many syllable? 1, 2, 3. So write 3. Next, movies. Moon plus bees, BIES. How many syllable? 2 syllable. Number 2. Next, laboratory. La, bo, ra, ra plus to plus ry, laboratory, laboratory. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllable, right? So write 5 here. Okay. Now open your practice book, page number 25. Circle the correctly spelled word. Okay. So we have to circle the correct spelled word. Invention. Invention spelling what? INVENTION. Circle it. Okay. Next, concentrate. 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 Circle it. Next, score. Score spelling what? SCORE. Score. Circle it. Bothered. 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 Okay, circle it. Okay, students, meanings you have to copy from the textbook. Okay, and everything, book part, everything you have to copy from the textbook. We have already written textbook part. Okay, have a nice day, students.